Do you know many people are having trouble with using HDMI ARC on their Samsung UN55TU7000 TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect soundbar. The Samsung UN55TU7000 TV supports HDMI ARC. Connect your soundbar to a receiver and the receiver to the TV using an HDMI cable. Step 2. Plug into eARC port. Plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI ear port on your TV for proper ARC functionality. Step 3. Check additional ports. Check for additional HDMI ports on your TV for other device connections. Step 4. Use certified cables. Use certified HDMI cables like high-speed or ultra-high-speed for best performance. Step 5. Keep cables short. Ensure HDMI cables are shorter than 10 feet, 3 meters, to maintain UHD quality. Step 6. Use DVI or DP. For Cs without HDM, I use a DVI to HDMI or HDMI DP to DisplayPort cable. By following these steps, you should be able to use HDMI ARC and connect your devices seamlessly to your Samsung UN55TU7000 TV. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.